Hello, dear students. How are you? Welcome back to our online math class with Teacher Ray. To continue our lesson, please watch this video.
How can you find the volume of a rectangular prism when the area of the base is given? Carrie needs to know how much sand will fill a rectangular prism for her science project. The area of the base of the rectangular prism is 56 square centimeters. The prism's height is 6 centimeters. Why is the base area of the prism given in square centimeters? The area of the base is the number of square units that cover its two-dimensional surface. You know that V equals L times W times H. Here is another formula for the volume of a rectangular prism. V equals B times H, where B is the area of the base. You can find B, the area of the base of the rectangular prism, by using the area formula A equals L times W. Find the volume of the rectangular prism if the area of its base is 56 square centimeters and its height is 6 centimeters. What unit will be used for the volume of the prism?
Select your answer.
The volume is in cubic centimeters.
The area of the base is given, so you don't need to calculate it.
The volume of the rectangular prism is 56 times 6, or 336 cubic centimeters. What does a volume of 336 cubic centimeters mean? It means the rectangular prism takes up the same amount of space as 336 1-centimeter cubic units. Now you know how to find the volume of a rectangular prism when the area of the base is given.
From our previous lesson, you learned that the formula of volume is V equals L times W times H. Today, you will learn another formula, and that is V equals B times H. B is base, which is composed of length and width. So basically, on this lesson, we will just deal with two given dimensions, the base and the height. For example, on this rectangular prism, we only have two given dimensions, the area of the base and the height. So applying the formula V equals B times H, we will just simply multiply 56 times 6. So the volume of our rectangular prism is 336 cubic centimeters.
In the example shown, what are possible length and width dimensions of the base of the rectangular prism? Explain.
Turn your book now on page 600. Let us answer Convince Me. The problem is asking you to identify the possible length and width dimensions of the base of the rectangular prism. As I have said earlier, base is composed of length and width. So if the area of the base is 56 square centimeters, we need to find the factors of 56. So probably, our length is equal to 8 centimeters and the width is equal to 7 centimeters. 8 times 7 equals 56, which is the number of square centimeters in the area of the base. Everything's clear? Okay, let's continue. Page 601. Let us answer the guided practice. Number 1. In the example at the top of page 600, what is the shape of the base of the rectangular prism? How do you find the area of that kind of shape? So it's a rectangular prism. So that means the base is a rectangle. How do we find the base? Again, as I have said, base is composed of length and width. So to find the area of the base, we will just multiply length times width. Number 3, the area of the base is 18 square feet and the height is 7 feet. Using the formula V equals B times H, we will multiply 18 times 7 and our volume is 126 cubic feet. Number 4, the area of the base is 24 square yards and the height is 9 yards. So we will multiply 24 times 9. So the volume is 216 cubic yards. And that's it. Now it's your turn to answer independently. Solve and answer independent practice and problem solving. Item numbers 5, 6, 7, 12, and 15 on page 601 and 602. And item numbers 8, 10, and 11 on page 604. You will be able to check your answers on my next video. Thank you.